Welcome to the Civic Horizon Hotel here in Ekkamai, Bangkok. Just checked in. It's quite a nice room actually. You get a big bed. You got the front door there, and as you come in, you got this kitchen here, washing machine. Got all these things here. I think it's a Japanese themed hotel. It is. Seems to be quite nice. Oh, you get plates and everything. It's a suite. It's like a residential suite. Some things down here. Not sure. Oh, that's pretty cool. You get some cutlery and everything. There's tiny drawers. You get a fridge freezer. Always nice to have. Yep. You do get 2 free bottles of water. Story. And then over here you get like a safety deposit box. Dressing gowns. It's always nice to have. Some slippers down there. Laundry. I wonder how much the laundry is. T-shirt. 30 baht. That's actually not too bad. Hey, you know what? That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Let me get safety deposit box. It's actually quite nice, yeah. It's pretty cool. You get a couch over there. Couch tissues. It's even got you get a socket over there. You get 2 more over here. So if you want to just lie down, watch TV. I'll show you the view in a minute, but here we've got the TV. Really nice desk chair. Some hotels don't have desk chairs, so it's nice nice that they include that. You even get a Blu-ray player. Look at that, it's the first time I've stayed in a hotel with a Blu-ray player. Yep, you got all the channels here. Mostly Thai channels, and I think they're mostly Japanese channels as well. I think it is a Japanese themed hotel. TV is Pro Vision. No idea, never heard of that. You do get your own in-room Wi-Fi, so you can plug an Ethernet cable in. It'll be quicker. Wi-Fi speed's about 40 megabytes upload and I think about 20 download. No, that's not right. Sorry, 40 megabytes download, 20 upload. Sorry, just tested it. We'll check out the bathroom first. We'll save the view for last. Bathroom is actually pretty big. Got a big sink. Oh yeah, your towels and things. Yeah, you get one of these Japanese themed toilets. See, it gets these buttons on here. It's pretty cool. What's this? Tokyo Sukuri operation guide. Sukuri. Toiletries. I think it's just their own brand. I think. So, shampoo. Yeah, I think it's their own brand. Shower gel. Conditioner. Got cotton buds and all these kind of things. Shower cap. Get a socket in it. Not had a chance to try the shower out yet, but get a nice big bathtub. Panasonic. Yeah, it's quite nice actually. Quite a big room. I've been down there. Yeah, it's nice. Let's check out the view real quick. I've got a good view here actually. So that's the Ekkamai BTS. It's very close. It's only a 60-second walk. You come out the hotel, just down there, and then you walk along the road here. And there you are. Gateway over there is like a shopping complex. There used to be a shopping complex just over there as well, but it's closed down now. There's construction work at the moment. Hopefully it's not too noisy. But yeah, you got a balcony. Let's have a look. Unlock this. It's pretty cool. You get a balcony. Oh, it's hot today. Very, very hot. Got I think the hospital over there. There's a Starbucks just over there as well. Yep, gateway. But the BTS. Let's hang around for a BTS train, just so we can see one go by. Yep. Just down this road, if you follow this road down there, there's a 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven. I'm not sure what they're building here, maybe another hotel, I'm not sure, but construction workers there. How's it going, mate? It's pretty cool actually. Not sure when the BTS is coming, so I'll just see what's in here. I'll keep an eye, see if I can see the BTS coming. Yep, some storage there. It's nice, you know, it's quite a nice room. I do like that they have this proper chair, you know, you can work on your laptop. Let's draw these curtains back. Ah, here we go, BTS. Bangkok SkyTrain, really good actually. Really good. So going up that way is towards Bangkok, Siam. You can see the BTS there. We're getting on. Pretty cool. There's two sets of stairs actually. There's this one here. This is the stairs, but actually just over there behind this building is the escalator. So if you don't want to walk, you don't want to walk up the stairs, you can just take the escalator. Really handy. Just down there is a Cafe Amazon. I don't know if you can see it. Just there. Cafe Amazon. We need coffee. Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good view of Bangkok actually. Not too bad. A cool building over there. Not sure what building that is. Pretty cool. Alrighty. Alright, and the door will not shut. For some reason. Oh, there we go. Okay. Door was a bit awkward there. Check out the channels real quick, actually. Yep, you get two remotes. One's the Blu-ray. This is the TV Pro Vision. Never heard of it. Must be some Japanese brand, I think. Yeah, I think it's mostly Japanese channels. It's about, I paid about £35 for one night. How much is that? Maybe 40 USD, something like that. Channel list. We'll start off at number 1 if we can. Is this already channel 1 maybe? Yeah, that's Japan. I think that's Japanese news channel. Yeah, it's all Japanese channels. Oh, we got Gladiator. This is True Movies. I think this is True Movies. Japanese channel. I think there's about 13 channels. Yeah, they're all Japanese. Right, and the remote's plus. Oh, there's 18 channels. Okay. $17 and $18. So yeah, that's the place, people. Got air conditioning up there. You do get an air conditioning remote, so it's not one of those ones that's fixed on the wall. Let's just draw these curtains back real quick. Got like a pretty tall plant there, tree plant. Just show you this last little bit here. This is a bedside table. Got a socket, can charge the phone. Got, for reception, little storage place down here. Yeah, not bad, not bad. That's the place, people. You do get some sockets in there. Oh cool, you get a LAN cable. They give you one. Pretty cool of them. There's another oh, that's not, so you can't open that one. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Give you a LAN cable. Let's try this chair out real quick. Oh, it's much better. Much better than the plastic chairs they give you sometimes. Yeah, that's the view of the hotel from the BTS. Yeah, just going up the BTS now. And that's the view of the hotel.